Elsie Kerns here, welcoming you to Sunday meditation. And we're going to begin first with the 9 hearts. So we're going to come right between the eyebrows. That's beginning of bladder meridian. We're going to calm everything down by drawing a nice heart right to the end of the throat area. And again, right to that collarbone. And a third time, touching the collarbone. Now we're going to go from the collarbone down the entire torso, all the way covering the pubic bone once, and then twice. A third heart. Now we're going to make one large heart once and twice. 3 times. We have our 9 hearts, and we're going to come right back into the heart energy center between the breast, remembering that the heart has the most electromagnetic energy of any organ in your body, including your brain. Now we're going to add one more calming exercise. So our fingertips are just going to rest on the temple, a little 3-finger notch right there in the throat area. And as you come here, you're just going to take some quiet, easy breaths at your own rhythm. You may even want to close your eyes and remove the outside distractions. Again, breathing in, letting go. And just breathing in, letting go. Now we're going to change sides and do the same thing on the left side. The points that we're holding at the temples and in this 3-finger notch at the throat work to calm anxiety. So this is helpful anytime, and especially before sleeping. Again, keeping your eyes closed, removing outside distractions. And just being peaceful and quiet. Breathing in, just letting go. And now connecting the head down to the heart center. Getting out of that busy mind and into the wisdom of the heart. Coming down, both hands over the heart center. Just breathing in at your own rhythm and letting go. Let your shoulders drop. And just give the body an opportunity to rest and restore. Now, as you breathe in, Breathe in love, compassion, gratitude, and resilience. Again, breathing in love, compassion, compassion for yourself and all of humanity struggling at this difficult time in our world. Gratitude. Thanksgiving is just a week or two away. Being grateful for all that we have. And finally, resilience. Building resilience so we can have amazing coping skills in our everyday life. Breathing in, just letting go. Taking this time also to thank your body and all the systems in your body, all the ways that each system is supporting you minute to minute. So just saying thank you to the body. And if there's any areas that are having a really difficult time, just send that area love and compassion. Now take your palms and slide them back to your sacrum. Your sacrum is sacred. It's supporting you to stand upright. It's also a power center. So support the sacred sacrum. Massage that area to open it up, help it be more flexible, and help it support you in an even stronger way, day in and day out. And now one hand still on the sacrum and the other hand at the heart, making that connection between the power of the sacred sacrum and the power of the heart. And now heart to heart. And just take a couple more deep breaths. Let the shoulders drop. Stay with this as long as time permits today. Thank you. This is Elsie Kerns, and I'll see you next Sunday.